But be gentle. Be gentle. You are going to find that you are going to laugh so much in these next few days.
Oh, you've been such a nice
Get that
girl.
one? Oh.
Was this what it was like when you brought me home? Or you
Dad, you were too little. I mean, you liked him, but you weren't able to do all of this.
Honey, he doesn't drink milk from the cup. Okay? Oh, for her. Oh, I thought he was just... That's Hannah's. Yeah. Give him a kiss. Oh, read him a book?
Oh,
Okay.
sure. You know what to do, right? When he's there, you read him a book. Can you give him a kiss, Hannah? How about one more kiss? A kiss? Oh, there you go. Is he warm?
Oh, did you get one? Oh,
Careful, honey.
But
baby.
are you reading to the baby? Your elbow.